welcome back to our channel Live Review. My name is Dev and today we'll be doing the unboxing and overview of the CMF Buds by Nothing, and this is the first generation, and this is, as you can see, this is the color white. So let me show you in the box, tell you about a little bit of the features, and then we'll do the actual unboxing. So this has 42 dB active noise cancellation. So at this price point, that's quite nice to have. 12.44 mm biofiber driver with ultra bass technology. So this is nice for all the bass lovers. Sound is this is tuned by direct, so they do quite good. All of the Nothing earbuds, headphones, these are all tuned by direct. Even the new one that has come up, the headphone. And battery extra long life, so this is 35 hours of battery on a single charge, so that's quite nice. 4 HD mics for your calls. It's supposed to be very clear. Connectivity is dual device connection. Okay, dual device, so you can connect your laptop and your mobile phone all at once. Okay, and okay, the MRP of this is around 3000 rupees, but on a good discount you can get this for around 1800. So I got a very good discount and got this for an 1800. Usually it goes for around 2300, something like that. I'll put the link of that below. This is from Flipkart, you can get that from there, and manufacture is April 2025, made in China, of course. Okay, so yeah, let's go ahead and bring this out. Okay, it was the other way around, so it fell out. All right, so this is how it looks, I would have to say. Yeah, all the Nothing earbuds, they look quite the same. This actually follows the same signature as, let me just show you. So this was the Nothing Air 2, and yeah, as you can see, this is very similar, but this is smaller than the Nothing Air 2. Okay, I will do the full comparison between both of these in a video very soon. So subscribe to the channel if you want to see the full comparison between these two. All right, so I would have to say this looks really nice. This has a nice metallic aluminum finish. It's a bit concave, really nice. But oh, it also, yeah, as you can see, yeah, it moves, and you can put your lanyard there. But this does not have the volume control. The volume control, I think the second generation of this has the volume control, which you can do from here. Okay, the CMF logo here, and the LED, nothing, very flat at the bottom, and the hinge is plastic. Okay, let me just go ahead and open this. Okay, this is quite nice, strong, and yeah, some writings here. So the ratings, certifications are here. Yeah, immediately when you open, you get the connection notification. Yeah, my phone just got that. And CMF by Nothing branding here, the Nothing logo here, and very lightweight, I have to say, very lightweight. I'm sure that this will be very comfortable in your ear. So the tips are quite nice, and these are the microphones, and these stay in place via the magnet. So let's do the test. Very strong, does not come out at all. Yeah, it's again, as I was telling you, these are very similar to the Nothing ears, including the magnetic system and everything. Okay, and let's see what's in the box. 4 ear tips, the large, this is the small, the medium is already there attached at the earbud. So no charging cable, that's a bit surprising. This is the booklet. That's nice, safety information. So yeah, just go through that once just to be sure. So no cable in the box, so but I think, yeah, you can just charge that. I hope this is USB-C. Yeah, this is USB-C, and this button is for pairing purposes. So if once this, you connect this to the phone and you have to connect it to the laptop, you can just long press it and it will blink here. This is the LED, it will blink blue, and you can charge it. So all in all, this is made of plastic, but the quality of the plastic is quite nice. So I'm looking forward to using this. All right, so I'll be doing the review of this very soon, and of course the comparison with the Nothing Ear 2. So subscribe to the channel if you want to see that, and I will see you in the next video very soon. And if you like this video, subscribe to the channel. So, and if you have any questions, of course, put them in the comment section. I'll answer each and every one of you. So yeah, see you in the next one. Till then, stay safe and check out our latest videos. Yeah, goodbye.